Good morning, this is Richard Smith with American Acceptance Mortgage, and these are my real estate thoughts for today, Friday, July 16, 2010. Last night, TVA held a public session on its integrated resource plan, a look at power needs and power capacity over the next 20 years. They did their last IRP in 1995. Looking ahead with all the changes, considering with the economy and the power needs and the growth, it's a lot to look at. It is an important process. Discussions will be made, decisions will be made, and TVA wants to involve and to inform you and me, the public. Attendance last night was small. There was less than 20 people that were not affiliated with TVA. But they were all knowledgeable and they were all interested and asked some very informed questions, very challenging questions. More information will be on my blog about the meeting last night and about TVA's IRP process on my blog at richardsrealestatethoughts.com. The preliminary report, which they've been studying now for about 18 months, the preliminary report will be available, we expect, in September. Shifting now to rates. The Senate passed the financial reform bill yesterday afternoon late. I'm still working out my opinions on this massive bill, but I'd like to talk about it some during the next few sessions next week. There were strong movements towards improving rates yesterday afternoon. The continuing claims and lower than expected producer price index, joined with the earlier Federal Reserve release, early in the week the Federal Reserve release, to make bonds look very attractive to investors. And remember, rates move in response to investors' decisions to purchase either stocks or bonds. Anything that makes bonds more attractive than stocks tends to push the interest rates lower. This morning, the Consumer Price Index came in close to expectations. Although the core inflation was a little bit above expectations, I do not expect much reaction in the markets from these numbers this morning. Consumer sentiment reports will be out later today. They could have an impact. But generally, I expect rates to hold their gains throughout the day heading into the coming weekend. My quote for today is from William Feather, an American publisher and author. A budget tells us what we cannot afford. It does not keep us from buying it. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you Monday.